So you want to start a business online, but you don't want to be on camera. What if you can have an AI influencer like me do all the content for you? Joelle's gonna show you. Theoretically, it's all super easy. And just watch what Joelle does next and how quick it is to get started.
Thank you, Crystal, for that introduction. And also, I want to point out how amazing it is that you can just make new hands appear out of thin air. That's pretty freaking awesome. Let's get into it. Now, if you're watching this video right now, chances are you're starting a business or you're trying to start a business online, and likely you're into affiliate marketing. That's been my bread and butter for a long, long time. And so here's the problem that I find with most people trying to start an affiliate marketing business is that the E stands for energy, okay? All of us, you, me, and every fish in the sea and every animal on the earth, on the planet, all have the exact same amount of energy, meaning we all have the exact same 24 hours in a day. We can all wake up, do all our things, but we all have the exact same amount of time. Your income, your wealth, your ability to earn is actually capped by the amount of time you have, especially when you go to a job, because you're literally trading an hour for income, hourly, even if you're salary, still the same thing. You're trading your time for money. So what the problem is that normal people like you probably watching this, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're some kind of professional something, or you're just, you're working somewhere and you have this much energy, but you're spreading it everywhere, just like this, right? So in the day, you probably have doctor's appointments, your job, you're walking your dog, you're doing all these things. And then on top of that, you're trying to fit in some kind of a new online business. It's not impossible, but it's hard as hell, as you've probably noticed so far, especially if you bought a bunch of courses already and you tried everything. It's probably because you're so capped by time. So now, imagine this scenario. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a system that can automatically post for you, and AI influencers just promoting stuff, selling stuff. Even if you have your own e-com store or something like that, it will just be promoting and selling and working 24/7 around the clock. The reason that I and so many other people succeeded in an online business, including affiliate marketing, is because we took all the energy we had and we just focused it in one straight line. We focused on our business and nothing else. We sacrificed friends, families, going out, doing all this stuff. Most people are just not willing to do that. That's why they don't succeed. Okay, but now times have changed. You can actually be this person over here and be spreading your time super thin all over the place, but your business is actually operating in the background. AI has made it possible to do this. Now let me show you the automation, the exact workflow that I'm talking about that I created that will actually have the AI influencer that you create posting 24/7 on freaking TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want them to post, to be promoting products and services for you, especially super hands-off if you're going to be an affiliate marketer. Let me show you how it works. So this is N8N. As some of you have already seen on my previous videos, this is what we're going to use mostly for our workflows and mostly inside of the affiliate mastermind, the automated affiliate mastermind, that I share these workflows with my clients and I actually build them for you, okay? Me and my team build this stuff for you. You don't need to be tech savvy or anything like that. But I'll walk you through how it works and what we've been doing with our clients to help automate this entire process. Let me remove myself first. There you go. I had to get myself out of the way so you can see this. So let me show you how this whole thing works. Let me zoom in a little bit and show you that it's actually in stages. You don't need to do any of this. What you're watching right now is a workflow that's operating in the background. Once we set this up, it just turns on and starts doing its thing every day. So this is the first part, give your inputs. So what inputs do we have you give? This is the first thing that kicks the whole thing off. We have a form, okay? Let me just click this thing and open it. So the first thing that happens, oh, where'd it go? So the first thing that happens is you fill out this form. The most important of which being this character image. So you saw in the beginning of this video, I have a character myself. Her name's the infamous Crystal. She's kind of my sidekick in my business, right? So she does a lot of my ads, a lot of my creative work, and especially when I don't feel like showing up, I'm sick or I want to spend time somewhere else or whatever, or just for demos like this when I test and show the audience, you guys, how this stuff works. So she's there to kind of show you how it works. Right? So you put in your character image, and I have a separate video on how to create the character. It should be somewhere. Oh, you know what? I'll show you at the end of the video where to see it. All right. So another image that you create using the same tool that I recommend in that video, which is called Design. Check it out right at the end of this. Okay. Just create a setting. So a place, right? Maybe it's a dark alleyway. Maybe it is a bright alleyway. Maybe it's a sunshiny a strip of grass somewhere playing football. Who the hell knows? Somewhere, right? So this is the setting. You're going to upload that setting right there. And then you have the item. This is only if you're trying to sell physical products or you just want the AI influencer to be holding something, maybe you have some kind of a demonstration that you're planning. So you would upload the image, the item, right? This is a big one For those of you who are doing the TikTok Shop affiliate program, or Amazon influencer program, where you kind of need to order the product. Now imagine this, you never need to order any products. You don't need to pay for anything. You never need to sit there and wait for it to come in the mail and create some kind of demonstration. I mean, it's still helpful to do that because it's good for you to know what your product is about. But now with the power of AI, we don't even need to do that, okay? So you can just take a picture of it. There's probably several that exist in the world, and you can just upload it into this little survey here I prepared, okay? So next is just stuff you want to answer. Maybe you want to generate some images for Instagram or something like that. You would put in how many images you wanted to generate here. It could be 1, it could be 1,000. It's totally up to you. It's just going to take longer if you put in a lot of images, right? Next is the big bread and butter here. It's going to be videos. So most of you will probably use this automation to post like daily Instagram reels or daily TikTok videos or stuff like that. And you can just put how many videos you want here. It could just be 1 at a time so that we don't overload this system, okay? And I promise you, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how we can automate this whole thing so that it posts for you. So you can set this up once, set it up to be a schedule, and it'll post as often as you like. Could be every day, it could be every week, 3 times a week. However you want to do it, you can set this thing up once and forget it forever, okay? Meanwhile, making true passive income. You know that old saying, they say like, oh, there's no such thing as passive income? Bullshit. We just invented a way to have true passive income online. Last but not least is creative direction. You are the director, okay? So since you're not going to be in the videos, you're not going to be on camera, you're not going to be making the actual videos, you need to tell this AI what to do. It's going to take your character and what? Are you going to film some kind of a movie, some kind of a demonstration of a product, an image of a product, and then demonstrate how it works? Are you going to be talking or making some big story? Your AI influence is going to be talking about some kind of story or living the story. Maybe there's like a scene-by-scene action there. Whatever you want, put in as much detail here as possible to tell the AI what you want your videos to be all about, how it's going to work, etc. Last but not least, we have the aspect ratio. Now, this can work for YouTube. That's why I put 16:9 here. But keep in mind, and I've been telling my clients too, we've actually been working on a new automation to cut the cost down, because the longer that your video is, the more it's going to cost, okay? Now, what I recommend is short form. So it's going to be like your standard TikTok videos, Instagram videos, the vertical videos, right? That's going to be this one here. So once you fill this out, you put in whatever you want and you can see and watch the magic work. Let me fast forward so I can show you how this works and get some images in here and show you exactly what's happening in the background. All right, to fast forward a little bit, I don't know where these images went, but I uploaded them. Let me describe them to you. So I have an image of Crystal inside of a hammock, just kind of laying down, relaxing. And then for the setting, I put a dark alleyway, kind of inspired by the game Silent Hill, because I'm a big fan. And then for the item, I have a cup of coffee that she's drinking, okay? So I put the number of images. I want 2 images. I want 1 video. And then the creative direction here, I just have her swinging in the hammock, really relaxed, really looking at her coffee and saying, I love coffee, while she's in the dark alleyway that I have in the other image, okay? We're going to make this a 16:9, so it could be more of like a YouTube style video, and I'll hit submit and we'll see what happens. All right, as you can see, it's just moving along, it's loading up, it's going through, and this is the automated part I was talking about. Literally, once you fill out this form, and this is all you're gonna have, you're gonna have this form saved somewhere on your phone or on your computer, and you just pull it up and put in whatever you want, and there it goes. It's just acting all on its own. No need for you to touch it whatsoever. The AI bots that are built into this are all working on your project. All right, as you can see, I fast forwarded a little bit because it takes some time to develop the video and whatnot, but as you can see, it ran through. Move this damn thing out of the way, but it ran through and now it's done. All right, so putting myself back up on the screen here, I have all of these going to a Google Sheet now, because there is one extra step to make this completely automated, but for the purposes of this demo, let's see here, I think it's this one. For the purposes of this demo, I don't have it set up to be completely automatic because I wanted to see what the videos look like at the end. Let's take a look here.
Just doing. I love coffee.
All right. So one thing, it gave her a British accent, which is pretty funny, but it's fine. That's an entirely different workflow that I have set up for making her voice and whatnot. Also, her face changed just a little bit, so with a few tweaks, it could be really perfect. But you can see, it took the image in the background. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. It took the image in the background of the dark alleyway. There seemed to be a little bit of glitching in the beginning with the sound. But it did exactly what I said as far as looking at the coffee, loving it, saying I love the coffee so much and all that good stuff. So this workflow was a complete success. Now, this is exactly what we're doing inside the Automated Affiliate Mastermind, so that you guys know, because again, I get so much confusion in emails and whatnot. Like, is this a course? Is this? It has some learning portals, okay? We do teach you how to build these things on your own. We give you the templates and you can play with them and you can learn all about N8N, because I do want you guys to just know how to fish, not just given fish. But the main thing about this program is it's built for super busy people. Like we talked about earlier, the main problem with affiliate marketing is it takes so much time. You have to wear so many hats. In this, we set it up once. It's automated. You don't have to worry about it. It's slow but steady passive income coming your way. You're going to be a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not. Of course not. But with this, over time, it'll be working for you in the background and start to generate some income. We've already had a few clients start to generate some income, and we've only been doing this about a month now, where we're actually building out these automations. And the fact that AI is getting better and better and better and looking better, looking more real, this is the worst it's ever going to look. So those little glitches and everything else you've seen, those are all going to be fixed by these awesome, amazing AI companies pretty soon. It's looking more and more amazing, okay? So that being said, if you're interested, if you're thinking about, hey, maybe I should get myself an automated affiliate business, click down below, book a call. We'll talk about if we're a good fit or not. We'll talk about the program a little bit more. I can show you this demo a little bit, and we can see how we can install it into your life and into your business to give you that second stream of income, so that eventually, amazing, you can have a lot more free time on your hands, all right? Until then, check out this other video where I show completely for free how to build the AI influencer. First and foremost, that's going to be your first step, whether we work together or not. Before you actually automate the influencer, you need to know how to create the video. So check out, or create the influencer. So check out that video. Go watch that. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.